Good afternoon, and this is Easy Any FX. Today I will be sharing with you the parabolic strategy, trading it with a V75. V75. I once said that the strategy trades all the assets, and I will be showing you today again on V75 RX. On V75 RX. Trading is about consistency. Once you are consistent with your strategy, you will trade effortlessly and you're going to be making good profit. That is it. You have to be consistent. Consistency and persistence breaks resistance. So let's check it out with V75. With V75. V75. So what is the strategy showing us? What is it telling us on V75 IX? We are going to see the current market. And from there, we move down to previous events on the chart. That is, we're going to backtest it. I'm going to show you. So we're going to see it together. We're going to see it together. V75 IX. V75 IX. Okay, so we are here. So I told you that with this strategy using the parabolic star indicator, we generate signal on higher time frame and take our entry on lower time frame. You can do that on a day time frame, generating signal on a day time frame and taking your entry on 15 minutes time frame, or you generate signal on 4 hours time frame and take your entry on 15 minutes time frame, or you take your entry on 1 hour time frame and take your entry on 5 minutes time frame. So in this particular video, we're going to be combining 1 hour and 5 minutes. That is, we generate our signal on 1 hour and take our entry on 5 minutes. So let's check it together. We go to 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame. The current market is telling us sell now. Parabolic star give us the trend of the market. It tells us the direction of the market. That is, if the market is going long or going short, either uptrend or downtrend. If the market is going on downtrend, that means you want to sell. And when it is going on uptrend, you want to place your buy entry. So the current market is telling us sell. Now you can see the 2 dots at the top there. It has already generated what? Tell us that the market is going down. So what do we have on 5 minutes time frame? Don't forget the parabolic strategy. If you watch my previous clip, I told you that you pick the same entry, you pick the same direction. Once the market is telling you sell on 1 hour time frame, you don't go and place buy on 5 minutes time frame. No, follow the rules. You follow the rules. When you follow the rules, your profit will always exceed your losses. That is a fact. That is a fact. So this market is telling us sell on 1 hour time frame. So let's carve it out. Let's carve it out. This is it. This is where it gave us the sell entry. Can you see that? I place a rectangular box there. That is where the market got to when it triggered the sell signal. So we want to check that place what? On 5 minutes time frame. What do we have there? You can see we already have a sell signal on this 5 minutes time frame now. We have 4 dots already telling us that the market is going down. That market is going to go down. I already have my trade running on the live account. The market is going down. It's going to go down. It's going to go down. You are going to stay in that market there, even if there's a pullback and it did not get to your last lower high, which is going to be your exit. I'm still going to show you a video how we exit the market. I'm going to do a video on that. So this particular market is now telling us sell. We have a sell signal from here. That is before we have a trigger on 1 hour time frame. There's another strategy to use to pick this particular trade. There are different strategies, but we are talking about the parabolic strategy now. So there's a sell signal from here down to here before we have a pullback here. We have a brief pullback here. Then we now have another sell signal that triggers. This is our entry. We wait for the next sell signal, and it has given us the sell signal. So you wait for that sell signal, and it has triggered already on 5 minutes time frame. Immediately you see that the sell signal pumps out, you join the trade immediately. You don't stay there and be thinking, will this market go down? Will this market go up? Will it? No. Once you see that it gives you the same direction with what you have on a 1 hour chart, then you place your trade. You place it, and don't forget, don't let your lot size be bigger than your equity. Lot size is the killer. Lot size is the killer. Don't be greedy. Greediness kills in trading. It kills in trading. It kills in trading. So we have your sell signal now. The market is going to go down. It will go down. It will go down. Don't worry. And if it did not go down and it touches your what? Your exit should be here. The last higher high. The last higher high. This is it. Your exit should be in that place. I'm going to show you how I do my exit with this particular strategy. So the exit should be in that particular zone. Lower high. The last lower high. But even if it goes back and it touches your exit, don't worry. You take that partial loss like that. Another signal is going to come. It will come. Then you take that next signal. That is it. But don't trade in the opposite direction of the direction on 1 hour chart. No, don't ever do that. Don't ever do that. So let's see what we have here. The previous signal. Look at it. We have another buy signal here, which is the immediate signal before we have this sales. Can you see that? That is how many hours? How many hours candlestick I'm coming? You have one here, it triggered here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 hours. Buy signal, 13 hours. That's it. That's the beauty. 13 hours. Can you see that now? So let's see what happened inside this box. Inside this box on 5 minutes chart, you will see that we are going to have more of buy signal, more of buy. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. We minimize. So let's go. Can you see inside that box? We join the trade here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many signals, buy signals do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is enough for a day. Yes, it is enough. Can you see it? You will be having more of buy. So once with the signal is on a buy signal on 1 hour chart, then you switch to 5 minutes. Then you keep taking the same direction. Then you set your take profit. Once you see that the market has moved, maybe you want to be taking the pips on volatilities is much higher than what you have on a currency pairs. So a particular signal can give up to 7,000, 10,000 pips. I'm going to give you a video on how to calculate your pips on MT5 without cracking your brain too much. You use the tools you use this particular tool to do that. I'm going to show you in another video. So this is what we are saying. You take the same direction of what you have on your higher time frame. If you are combining 15 minutes and a 4 hours chart or a day chart, you go in the same direction. If you are using 1 hour and 5 minutes, you go in the same direction. That is the rule. Don't ever trade against the rule. And this particular strategy will give you nothing less than 10% of your equity, meaning that you can trade between 10% to 20 to 30% of your equity every day. Yes, every day. I'm telling you. So without you being greedy, that is what you can achieve every day. You have more of buy signal. Can you see it now? More of buy. Just cash 1 or 2 of this on 2 assets, and you are done for the day. I'm going to show you this on all the assets that the signal works. It works, so you don't have to be running from one strategy to the other. That little that you know, keep fueling it every day. Keep fueling it. Once you have a working strategy, you will trade effortless and you'll be making good profit. That is it. Let me quickly show you what we have again. And note, when you have consolidating market, the signal doesn't really work. That is it. It doesn't really work once you have a ranging market. So avoid using it with ranging market or consolidating market. You won't really have a desired result. Let me put it like that. So let's check this particular movement on 5 minutes chart. I think we have it up to here. Up to here. Look at it. Let me bring it out. We have an interruption there. So we have it up to here. A sell signal up to here. So let's check it out on 5 minutes chart. 5 minutes chart. Can you see it? You'll be having more of sell, more of sell, more of sell signal. Can you see it? Can you see it now? You'll be having more of sell signal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that we won almost all the trades here. And let me tell you, there is no difference between live and demo account chart. The difference between both of them is the spread. So most of the times I'm even on my demo chart and I place my trade on live account chart. That is it. Because of different gadgets here. So once I'm looking, I've even forgotten to change the chart from live to demo. So there's no difference on the chart. Not that on maybe on your demo chart, the market is going on uptrend, and you go to live chart, then the market will be going on downtrend. No, you are trading the same chart. It's just about your emotion because your money is involved. Do you get it now? So that's it. That's it. So let's check one more. I don't want the video to be too long. Let's move down here. We have another signal down here. Down here. That's another sell signal there. Can you see it? You see that we'll be having more of sell. Can you see it again? You'll be having more of sell signal. That's it. Look at it. You'll be having more of sell signals. And I told you you don't need more than 1 or 2 signal in a day. Let's check 1 or 2 more before we go. Before we go, we have a ranging market here. I told you should avoid ranging market. So let's check this out. We have a bit stable market here. So we have it here. Even down to this place. It's something triggered here. Up. So let's check it out. 5 minutes chart. So look at that buy signal now. Can you see it? Can you see the buy signal? Go in the same direction. If your market is going on uptrend on 1 hour chart, wait. It's either you join the market immediately once it triggered on 1 hour. You join the immediate buy signal on 5 minutes chart, for example. Or you can wait. Let there be a pullback. Then you join the next buy signal. You join the next buy signal. So this is another one. You'll be having more of buy. More of buy. Let's check another one. Let's check another one. Okay. We are here. So this is another one. You see that you'll be having more of sell. You'll be having more of sell. And once you, oh my goodness. Look at it. This is a sell market. You'll be having more of sell. More of sell. More of sell. That is it. And there's no way you will not win more. If you pull 5 trades in a day, if you don't win all the 5, you are going to win 4/5. That is why the strategy is what? Like 99% winning rate. Yes. Yes. Look at it. Look at this buy signal here. Or let's calm down here. I think we are around this zone. So I'm trying to show you what we have. Let me delete this. Then we come down here. This is another sell signal here down to this place. What are we having on 5 minutes? You see that we are going to be having more of sell. I think I circled. Where is it? This is it. Look at it now. Look at that sell signal. Look at that sell signal. Some people will tell you, oh no, 1 hour, V100 is difficult to trade. V20. No, this strategy works on all on all. Yes, on all. Just wait for the perfect entry and you take the shot. The same direction. The same direction. Can you see it? Can you see it? So let me show you one more. I think I have one. Look at this particular buy signal here. Look at this. Look at this trade. I'm going to show you how it works on all the assets. Can you see the buy signal there? If you, oh God, man. This strategy is very super. I'm trying to go to where we have the buy signal. Can you see it here? This is it. Can you see that? You'll be having more of buy entries. More of buy entries. It's a very powerful strategy. So don't forget to help me subscribe to the channel. Please help me subscribe to the channels. We'll see you in the next clip.